The future belongs to the youth of the world, but given the challenges they're facing, how will they lead lives that can bring the world closer together? The International Youth Fellowship is an organization dedicated to helping young people from different cultures embrace each other in a common cause of overcoming their differences, their troubles, and inspiring them to live their lives beyond the dream. The Gracias Choir is an internationally acclaimed group of students from South Korea and America. They're inspiring audiences around the world. The students involved in this talented chorus were teenagers who were often told they would never amount to anything. They came from broken homes, living shattered lives, many of them struggling to overcome their own fears, but they found hope through Pastor Ok-Soo Park, the founder of the International Youth Fellowship. He believes that every child has the desire to succeed. So he founded the International Youth Fellowship to reach out to troubled teenagers around the world. Pastor Terry Henderson is the director of IYF USA.
Through this, we introduce students to the heart of God, to the gospel, and they change. Even my brother, he was into gang violence, he did drugs, but then now he's a missionary and he's been dispatched to India last week. So wow. It's a very amazing transformation.
IYF launched a Good News Corps, a group of young people who span the globe to help other young people learn how to overcome poverty, drug addictions, violence, depression, and every other issue that keeps someone from reaching their full potential. It currently reaches 80 countries, touching the lives of millions of people through spreading a faith-based message of hope.
We teach and focus on something called the world of the heart. All people's problems, difficulties, sorrow, they come from our hearts, but they're also solved through the heart by receiving the heart of God, yes, also receiving the heart of others around them.
Through a series of well-rounded programs such as dance, martial arts, music, and volunteer work in poor areas like Haiti, Africa, Mexico, and India, the students of IYF learn to embrace the core values of challenge, change, and cohesion.
We lead the students to be able to not only receive the heart of God, but receive the heart of their parents, receive the heart of the teachers who are around them, who are trying to lead them in a good direction. And we teach them how to solve their issues through the strength and the power of faith and through the heart.
Falaki Akinola Pinard helps guide the students on the principles of leadership. Her parents emigrated to the United States from Africa. They instilled a desire for a good education and hard work to achieve her dreams.
We went to great private schools, got scholarships, great colleges. My sister has a triple Harvard degree, undergrad, grad, and a PhD from Harvard. So we did all of those things, but still something was missing.
What was missing, Falaki says, was a need to feel significant. And now she teaches other students how to embrace that.
Through IYF, I learned it's about connecting through the heart. And then through going on mission trips, I also could see how amazing it is when you see somebody's heart change. And I learned that that we have this common language of vulnerability. Everybody else is saying, oh no, you have to be your best. You have to live the American dream by doing A, B, C, D. But we say, it's okay, come as you are. Through God's heart, you can change. No worries. And so people finally feel like they're in a place that's safe and comfortable, where they're not being judged.
Very, very good advice. IYF believes you can touch lives heart to heart and then create a vision through the power of hope to make a difference in the lives of children around the world beyond the dream. And, the main thing that young people say, don't judge me.
Right.
Until you know where I've lived.
Yeah, come as you are. I like
come as you are.
Said.
I like that. I love that.
Very good.